how to log in Deezer account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Deezer login. Soon after searching, you will be able to see the search results. You have to go for the first option over here, which is Deezer login. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface where you have to go for login option in the top right corner. After that, you'll be able to see this interface over here where you have to enter your email address and password associated with your Deezer account. If you have connected with your Deezer account with Facebook, Google or Apple, then you can also continue with these options. After entering your password, you can go for login option where you will be directly logged in into your account. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget password option, which you will be able to reset your password and log into your account again. So by following this simple step, you can log in Deezer account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.